What do we have? The 23rd of January. Look at that. We have fall color. Let that person know that they can come on through. That is nuts. Fall color in January. Yeah, I'm good, thank you. Crazy. All right, I need to get out of the road. I'm not very safe where I'm sitting. Welcome back, everybody. So I hope you like the oak tree. That's still got a little fall color. It hasn't gone brown yet. Most of the oak trees, they get just a tiny amount of color to them, and then they go brown, and then eventually the leaves fall off, and by March we're getting green again. But yeah, it's kind of cool to see that in January, the later part, what did I say, the 23rd? I did. The later part of January, we have fall color down here in New Braunfels, Texas. And we are on the eve of the big winter storm. You know, the video that I just put up, it rained through here. I don't know what it is with this little corridor. It rains. So I'm ready for it. I got my frog togs on, not too concerned about it. But like I said, we are on the eve of the Snowmageddon, Ice-mageddon, just a nasty storm that is going to be stretching from Texas all the way up through Boston. Kids back home in Ohio, 15 inches of snow-ish. I'm going to say between 8 and 15. I don't know what we're getting down here. I don't have any local news channels, so I asked the great Googler, and the great Googler said quarter inch of ice, which is not good. So you know, that's why I'm out on my ride right now. It has rained. Spyder's a little icky, but I get that. I know what I'm doing. She'll get washed once this cold weather goes away. And definitely drop a comment where you are at. If you're in the States, by the time this video comes up, you know, storms are going to be over with. And let us know what you got. Snow, ice, all the above. So when I moved to Texas, it was right after, not right after, it was 23, 24, I don't even remember. But it was still fresh in my mind that people down here in Texas in 2021, a winter storm came through, temperatures plummeted. Texas did not have enough energy to supply the great state of Texas. The thing with Texas is it is not on the grid with the United States. It is its own power grid. I don't get it. So they didn't produce enough power to keep the lights on, and it was bad. So when I came down here, I'm like, listen, we need to have some type of generator. We need to have some type of backup heat. So we just have a small generator. It's 4,400 watt. In the scheme of things, it'll run a couple heaters, the refrigerator, TV, you know, internet. But yeah, so this is the eve of when I left work. You could already see this moisture that we have now and how cold it is in the northern part of the state. It's already starting to ice. It's a cool 68. Spyder's telling me it's 70 degrees, so it's, you know, it's not quite 70. We are in the beautiful Canyon Lake area, Hill Country, Texas, which is absolutely gorgeous to ride in. I need to start ranking the states that I've ridden in from I don't know, best to worst, worst to best. I think that could be fun. I think think I know who's going to win, but I could be wrong. Could be wrong. There's some really beautiful states that I've been in. West Virginia, Kentucky, Southern Ohio. Amazing motorcycle roads in Southern Ohio. Just to go out for a ride, you can't beat it, right? It's you don't have to go far, and you are in amazing roads. So if you like roller coasters, you would definitely love Southern Ohio. Got some rain drips on me. So if you could, definitely, you know, this video is going to post probably next weekend. Let us know how much snow. I think the next house is going to have a dedicated plug in the garage that I can hook up a generator. Never can't run a generator in your garage. Well, you can if you have the ventilation. So just keep that in mind. Definitely don't hook. That's all new. That is all new. I wonder what they're doing down there. I wonder how you get down there. Yeah, it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. It's super pretty. This is going to be a quick ride so I can get back home and get ready for this. Like I said, I think a lot of people are going to get way more ice, way more snow than what Southern Texas is going to get. I was down here last year when we had flurries, and like, when I say a dusting of snow, it wasn't like a dusting of snow on the ground. It was where you have a curb, you got a little bit of snow there. Maybe in some of the taller grass, you could see a little snow. And people were like, did you guys see the snow? It was crazy. Now, you know, it's all about perspective. I get that. They were going. You know, if you don't ever see snow and then all of a sudden you see snow, it can be exciting. So I think on that, I'm going to let everybody go. Just wanted to come on really quick to let everybody know they need to stay safe. Don't do anything stupid. Don't put your generator in your kitchen to heat and supply energy to your house. Not a good thing. Get this one last ride in before it gets cold. Like I said, we're on the eve of the big storm, so definitely drop a comment below. Let me know where you're at. And of course, everybody, if you could, give me a big old thumbs up. Stay safe. I'll see you down the road.